If you're experiencing issues with WhatsApp, there are several steps you can take to fix the problem. Start by checking your internet connection. Since WhatsApp requires a stable connection to send messages and make calls, ensure you are connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong mobile data signal. If your connection is weak, try switching to a different network or resetting your router. Next, make sure that WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Check the App Store or Google Play Store for updates and install the latest version if needed. If WhatsApp is still not working, try restarting your phone. A simple reboot can resolve many issues by clearing any temporary glitches or conflicts. If the problem persists, check your phone's settings to ensure WhatsApp has the necessary permissions, such as access to your contacts, camera, and microphone. You can usually find these settings in your phone's Apps or Permissions section. Another useful step is to clear the app's cache. This can resolve issues related to stored data that might be causing the app to malfunction. If all else fails, uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp may fix the issue. Though remember to back up your chats beforehand to avoid losing important conversations.